Welcome all. This is our lecture 36, and in this lecture we will cover the topic MS Excel. From this lecture we will start our next topic, that is MS Excel. As we have learned MS Word, that is used for that is used for word processing, means word processing. Okay, and we manipulate the text as you are seeing here. These are the text. We will deal with these text in MS Word. In MS Excel we will deal with the numbers. We will deal with the numbers. Okay, and as we have performed many operations on the particular text in MS Word, same here we will perform the particular operations, different, or we can say different type of operations on numbers. Basically we will organize we will organize that our data, and the data analysis will done in by MS Excel. Okay, or we can say that we can document well. What document? Number related things we can prepare in the form of a table, as we have learned about table in MS Word. Same here, our MS Excel is based on this functioning. This functioning means here we have rows and columns, okay, and a combination of a particular space where we will insert our numeric value or our data value or our text value, that is called cell, and every operation will perform on this cell. This particular cell will be or will have a particular address. Every cell must contain a particular address. By this address we can perform the multiple operations on our particular spreadsheet. Okay, so just look on your screen. The main functions like close button, maximize, minimize, our title bar, menu bar, tool bar, all these are same, but the tools here, some like MS Word, but many are different. Okay, here you can see A B C D E, means a number of characters. These are called columns. What is? These are called columns. And in our left hand side we can see some numbers like 1 2 3 4 and so on. These are denoted as rows. So these are rows, these are columns, these are particular columns. Okay, and this actually this particular area is called a cell. every operation will be performed on this particular cell by using this cell address. As you can see, we have select this particular cell, and if we see upward, we find F. What is F? If we see horizontally, we will find 8. Then the address of this particular cell will be F8. What is F8? If we take the example of this particular cell, the address of this will be D3. The address will be D3. Same as for particular cell, the address will be different. Okay, this is the interface of MS Excel. Here you can see sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. It means there are multiple sheets available in a particular window. We can add as much as we need. This particular one is open here. We can rename this particular also. Okay, we can adjust the page size by clicking here plus or minus. These are the viewing tools basically used in the printing. When you will take print, you can assume some operations by clicking on these. As here, this is our vertical scroll bar, this is our horizontal scroll bar, this is the same. Now the main question is that why should I learn Microsoft Excel? Why should I learn? The main answer in simple word is that if you want to deal with numbers, okay, if you want to arrange your data in a manner that you can or anyone can easily see and easily understand what the matter is. Okay, here we have taken example that if you want to create your daily expenses list or your monthly income list, you can prepare this by using MS Excel more easily. You can track, or even you can analyze, you can store all such numeric data. Clear? Or we can perform many operations as much you need. Now just look at on your screen. As we have seen in previous slides, this is our address of a particular cell. As we have select A1, then this will show here A1, and where you will find this FX everywhere, and you will get the text box here. This is called formula bar. What is formula bar? Every formula you will insert here. If suppose you want to add this one and this particular one, the address of this one is E6 and this one is G6. You want to add these particular cells or whatever in these cells are. Then you can prepare the formula here. First of all, you have to put the equal to sign here and put the address of these particular cells, that is E6 plus G6, and enter. And where you will get one thing that you should keep in your mind, where anywhere you want the sum of these particular cells, first of all you have to click on that particular place or particular cell. First of all click here and then click here to insert the particular formula. Okay, this collection is called a spreadsheet. This table format is called a spreadsheet. It's look like a table. Now another question is, where can I get Microsoft Excel? Microsoft Excel is same as like MS Word. From where you will get the MS Word, you will get the MS Excel. You can directly download from Microsoft site, or this is a Office suite, Microsoft Office tool, and by visiting the Microsoft website you can easily download that particular or buy a license key. Okay, nowadays it is available with the name of Microsoft 365, and some basic features are available in free to all. Okay, you can try this in your cell phones also. So class, this is all done in this lecture. Prepare your good quality notes and be in learning mode always.